Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the latest and greatest in beauty and personal care. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to revolutionize your nail care routine. This right here is the St. Willo Wash, touted as the best solution for removing acrylic and dip nails quickly and efficiently. Stick around as we uncover whether this gadget lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about what makes the Willo Wash stand out. Designed by St. Willo, it's compact yet powerful, aimed at simplifying the tedious task of nail removal. Whether you're at home or a professional nail technician, this device claims to cut down soak-off times drastically. Taking a closer look, it boasts a sleek design with user-friendly controls. The Willo Wash is engineered to be gentle on nails while ensuring effective removal of even the toughest acrylic and dip nail coatings. The package dimensions are 7.6 by 6.38 by 6.1 inches, weighing in at 2.16 pounds, making it portable yet sturdy. Does it deliver on its promise? According to our tests, the Willo Wash does indeed live up to its reputation. It's equipped with technology that accelerates the soaking process, minimizing the time spent removing old nail treatments. Whether you're a professional nail artist with a busy schedule or someone who prefers DIY nail care at home, this device could be a game changer. Maintaining your Willo Wash is straightforward. It's recommended to clean the device after each use to prolong its lifespan and ensure optimal performance. A simple wipe down with a damp cloth suffices, keeping the device ready for your next nail session. Wrapping up, the St. Willo Wash emerges as a frontrunner in the realm of nail care gadgets. Whether you're looking to upgrade your salon's equipment or enhance your at-home beauty routine, this product ticks many boxes. It's efficient, reliable, and designed with your nail health in mind. If you're intrigued by what you've seen today, check out the link in the description for more information and where to purchase your own St. Willo Wash. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep shining.